Well, the Reserve Bank is expected to cut interest rates today. It would be the first back-to-back reduction in more than 5 years since the COVID pandemic. With her predictions, we're joined this afternoon by financial expert Jessica Brady from view.com.au. Jess, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Now, we know sometimes predictions can be wrong. I understand it's a bit split with the big banks at the moment. Some are predicting the RBA will cut rates again. Some are suggesting they may stay on hold. What are your thoughts?
Look, I think the majority of economists have come out and said they do expect that rates are going to be cut today. But as you say, they can be wrong. We don't have a crystal ball. We'll know in a few hours. But my gut feel is that we will see rates reduced today.
So in regards to how that may affect the market, there is a school of thought which is true that for millions of mortgage holders, if they do get another cut in rates, that will save them a lot of money. But it may actually put further fuel on the housing market fire. Is that what you think may happen?
Yeah, of course. And so this is the conundrum. We see relief for mortgage holders, but if we have anything to go by in terms of house price increases over the last several months, yes, we probably expect that this continues the house price rise that we've seen.
And Jess, in regards to the predicted cut, what are your thoughts by how much, and how much will borrowers save on the average mortgage?
Yeah, so the economists are saying about a 0.25% reduction. So that would take the official cash rate down to 3.60. Now, if you're on about a $600,000 mortgage, it's probably a saving of just under $100 a month.
Okay, and in regards to also, there are many people, especially older Australians, that have money in the bank. It's great if you've got a mortgage, not so good if you're trying to live off savings as a pensioner. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, and so I think first and foremost, if you've got a mortgage, remember that when the rates go down, it doesn't automatically mean that they will A, pass it on in full, and that B, your mortgage rate will reduce. You need to go and contact the bank and ask them to do that rate reduction and change and review. But you're right, this does hurt people who have money in cash. And so, of course, making sure that you've got money in a place that is earning you a good return is important to look at. Some bank accounts have a good headline figure, but actually when you get into the weeds, there are a whole heap of conditions that people don't realise is how they attract that interest rate. So always good to make sure and you've done a review so that you're in the right product for you.
And always ask for a better deal.
Always ask for a better deal. Nothing to lose.
Great advice. We'll find out this afternoon. Thank you so much, Jess.
Thank you.